Hey, welcome to this week's edition of TidBits. I am Jeremy.
Hey, Anderson here.
Hey, Anderson, do we have any way? Let's just say that I want to negotiate better carrier rates or I want to do an RFP for one of our customers. Is there a way in brokerware to systematically do that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a tool called Mass Rater. Let me show you. It's perfect. It's a perfect tool to help you negotiate rates with carriers or sending an RFP to a customer to try to, win a new book of business.
Hmm.
So our Mass Rater, it's a tool that can rate up to over 10,000 lines or shipments.
Dang.
So just go to optimize rates. You can download a template. So when you download the template, it'll look it'll look like this. You have your shipments tab where you can enter your shipments along with your commodities. And then there's a legend tab as well to give you a legend of, certain columns and what you can add there. So let's say you add your shipments, you add your commodities, and then you select the tariff that you want to rate against. So let's say I select this beef tariff test,
Hmm.
and then I'll select that. Or if you want, you can select multiple tariffs and then click next step.
Hmm.
And then from here, you would choose your master rater document that you have filled out. Let's say I'm just gonna select that template, and then I'm gonna validate the document.
Mm.
So now what this will do is make sure all of the lines are validated to make sure there's no errors. And
Sure.
then here you can add the transaction name, rate type, and then additionally, once the document is validated, you can have this rate with just showing the carrier cost or include the customer markup,
Mm. It's good
and
to
then
know.
just start rate, and then from here just start rate optimizer. So it'll display all the rates or just the cheapest option depending on the tariff, and it'll also show the breakdown by line haul, fuel, and other accessorials.
And this runs at night, right? Is that how it works?
Yeah.
Or
So the mass rater engine runs after business hours only in the evening. So I would say give it about 24 hours, you'll have your results, and then your results are listed in the transactions page. So here you'll have your transaction list here. The request file is the file that you uploaded, and the process file is the results.
and this is pretty. I've seen a lot of our clients use this, right? It's pretty common for a lot of the brokers on 3PL systems to use Master, right?
Yeah, I mean, this is a great way to rate hundreds, if not thousands of shipments, in a short period of time versus running a shipment one by one, creating a
Mm.
shipment and then running rates on it. That'll take you forever and a day. But this is something that's automated and quick, and it's just a simple tool to allow you to, get work done faster.
Makes sense. Very cool. Well, thank you for showing us, Anderson, and have a good rest of your week. And we'll catch you next time. Bye.
Take it easy.